Welcome to the GScatter Complete Guide series. In this video, we'll cover how to install and set up GScatter in Blender. GScatter is a Blender add-on that helps you quickly scatter objects like grass, rocks, and trees when creating environments. So let's start by installing GScatter. You'll usually find multiple versions available. After downloading it, open Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, Get Extensions, Install, then select the GScatter zip file. Don't extract the zip file manually. Once it's installed, just enable the add-on by ticking the box next to GScatter. Press N to open the sidebar and switch to the GScatter tab. Before you create any scatter system, your scene needs to be set up properly. The first thing you need is an emitter. In this example, I'll use a simple plane, but you can use almost any object. So delete the default cube, add a plane and scale it to the size you want. Go into edit mode and subdivide the plane a few times so that it has enough geometry. If the surface is too low poly, the scatter can look uneven or unnatural. Once you're done, press Shift-A and apply all the transformations. Unapplied transforms are one of the main reasons scattering breaks or ends up with the wrong scale and rotation. Also make sure your scene is at a reasonable scale, since extremely small or huge scenes can make density and scale settings feel unpredictable. Under the emitter section, choose your emitter either from the drop-down or by using the eyedropper and clicking on it in the viewport. In order to add some assets, go back into the website and log in. You'll find plenty of pre-made environment packs here. For this example, I'll download a forest pack. Back in Blender, one easy way to start adding assets is by clicking the Library button, which opens the GScatter browser, where you can install and use the assets you've downloaded. With everything set up, you're now ready to create your first scatter system, which we'll do in the next section of this series.